Cemetero maths, slope, rise, and run. There's three variables, slope, rise, and run. If you know two, you can know the third. For the slope, we know is slope equals rise over run. So that's our first equation. And with this equation, slope equals rise over run, you can multiply out the run variable. So these will cancel out. And we're left with rise equals slope times the run, which is our second equation. And with this equation, rise equals slope times run, we can figure out what the run is by dividing out the slope. These cancel out, slope. So we're left with run equals rise divided by the slope, which is our third equation. And with these three equations, you can figure out what the slope, rise, or run is if you know the other two variables. So let's say we want to solve for the slope, and we have a run of 15 feet and a rise of, let's say, 2 feet. Right? So what is the slope? Our equation says that the slope is equal to the rise, which is 2 feet, over the run, which is 15 feet. Let's do this on a calculator. 2 over 15 equals 13. So we'll say that the slope equals 0.13, which is also equal to 13%. So with a run of 15 feet and a rise of 2 feet, we're going to have a slope of 13% right here. That's how we would solve for slope. But let's say we want to solve for rise, and we have a run of 16 feet with a slope of 4%. What is the rise? According to our equation, the rise is the slope, which is 4%, times the run, which is 16 feet. Use our calculator for that. 4% times 16 feet gives us 0.64 feet. So our rise will equal 0.64 feet, which equals 0.66 is 8 inches. So we have 8 inches minus 2/8, which is 7, and 6/8 of an inch. So our rise with a 16-foot run at a 4% slope would be 7 and 6/8 of an inch. That's how we solve that. What if we want to solve for the run? With a rise of, let's say, 6 inches and a slope of 10%, right? What is the run? According to our equation, the run equals the rise, which is 6 inches, which I'll write as 0.5, over 10%. Let's do this in the calculator. We have 0.5 over 10%, which gives us 5. So we would have a run of 5 feet. So our run with a 6-inch rise and a 10% slope would be 5 feet. That's how we solve for the run.